everyone, good morning. Sometimes we need to decide or we have to be made decisions even if it is painful, not for just ourselves but also for other people around us. The pain is not the one that destroys us, but the guilt feeling. But we have to make the decisions for the betterment of the greater good of a dynamic. So napakahalaga na makapag-decide tayo, lalo na kapag ito is para sa sa alang-alang ng nakakararami. Medyo minsan masakit, hindi tama, pero lagi natin tatandaan, minsan kahit masakit, kailangan natin i-accept the pain. We have to accept the pain. Kasi yun yung makakabuti. And that's the reality of life. It's part of life na makapag-decide tayo ng mga bagay-bagay na minsan hindi natin gusto. Pero it's a part of challenge also, na kailangan kapag nandun ka sa stage na yun, you know how to decide. You know how you are aware what is the best decisions, not only for your good, but also for the good of others around us. Part ng decision making, dumarating tayo sa time na mahirap talaga. Lalo na kapag mga taong mahal natin, mga kaibigan natin ang involved. But minsan, we have to decide to disconnect with them, lalo na pag alam natin na kailangan. And I understand why minsan yung mga businessmen, for them to become successful, they need first to set aside his family for the meantime. And yun nga, minsan mahirap yung ganun desisyon, pero maiintindihan yun ng mga tao later in the future is why you have to decide like that. And also, hope this simple motivational talk will learn something. Thank you everyone, and God bless. Basta lagi natin tatandaan, yung decision natin pangkahalatan for the greater good of all dynamic, para hindi tayo masaktan sa guilt feeling, kasi yun yung mas masakit kasi sa pain. We have to accept the fact that there is a pain, but the most painful pain is the guilt feeling, lalo na kapag nakapag-decide tayo na hindi tama. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God.